Makeup is life. Yeah. La la la. Ma, I'm filming. Do I have to say the price? Not sure. Hey guys, it's me again, Reza, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup haul because over the weeks I picked up a few stuff from Sephora, New Avenue, and your makeup store. So I put them all in this. So yeah, it's kind of a lot actually. So we're gonna do that today. So okay. So first I'm gonna show you the things that I got from Sephora, then from New Avenue, and then from your makeup store. So let's get into the video. I think Sephora yung pinakamadami yung nabili. So let's start with that. So first I got the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I finally caved in and got this. I feel like I'm a little bit late to the party, but it's okay because I see this literally everywhere and everyone's been using it. So I decided to give it a try. So here. So yeah, nakikiuso lang ako. If you want to get this, they have this in Sephora, PH, but they also have this in Rustans. So yeah. And they say this smells like rose water now. So you can use this as a facial mist daw and a setting spray. So okay. Oh, it says here that you can also use it on your hair. So cool. Okay, next I got the beauty blender. So I got this in this color because this is my favorite color out of all of them. I already had them in pink, black, red, violet. Oh, no, lahat na lang. This is the third time I got a beauty blender in this color. And I don't know, it's just really nice for me. So yeah, next. Okay, moving on. The next thing I got is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So this is how the box looks like. And I got this because I've been watching Kelsey Simone's videos a lot lately, and she uses this. And I also see this all the freaking time sa lahat ng videos ng makeup YouTubers. So I figured, why not give it a try? Because I've been using the Smashbox primer actually, and that's really good. But I've been using it for 3 years now, so I hope this is really good because I've heard a lot of good reviews about this. So yeah, this is actually coconut water. What? Or it's made from coconut water, I'm not sure. Oh, it is not made of coconut water pala. It has coconut water with coconut water. So yeah. So this is how it looks like. And when you open it, and it has a pump. So yeah, it's kind of cool and it's really convenient because may pump siya. My Smashbox primer, it also comes in something like this, but walang pump. So okay. So I'm so excited to try this. Okay, next. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. So this is actually kind of expensive, but I saw this on one of Catherine Lights' video and she said it's really good. So binili ko na naman siya. And I saw this on Kelsey Simone's video as well. So yeah. It's a gel highlighter, but then you can also mix this in your foundation now to make your look a little more dewy. So, and lately I've been loving dewy looks. So this is the box, and then the product itself. Okay. So yeah, it comes in this frosted glass thing. So yeah, it has a pump. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like coconut. So yeah, I'm so excited to use this as well. So moving on, the next thing I got is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is actually really famous and a lot of people have been really raving about this. And I've been looking for a good eyeliner for so long. And yeah, that's why I got this. I'm actually using the Clio one right now and it's actually good then. I think it's a Korean brand, pero yeah, I'm excited to use this. So yeah, it looks like a normal eyeliner. Okay, so the last thing I got from Sephora, I got this a week ago lang. This is actually my brother's Christmas gift to me because I forced him to. Okay, and this is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. Soleil? How do you say that? I'm freaking stupid. I'm literally searching how you pronounce Soleil because I don't want to sound stupid in front of you guys.
Soleil.
Soleil. Oh, okay, so I was right. Okay, let's continue. The last thing I got from Sephora is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. So obviously it's a bronzer. This is actually what I've been using lately. I don't really use bronzers, but then I saw this one from my cousin's stash of makeup and I tried it on and I really fell in love with it. I didn't know na sobrang laki pala ng effect ng bronzer sa makeup mo. So I got my first ever bronzer. So this is how the box looks like. This is actually made from real chocolate dough. So I don't know. So this is how the product looks like. So I got this in the shade Milk Chocolate though. Oh, so that was the shade pala, the shade name Milk Chocolate. So I think this is the lightest one. They have 3 shades and I got the lightest one. So yeah. Yeah, it smells really good. It's really made of real chocolate though. So yeah, I can't wait. Lahat na lang, I can't wait. Okay, so those are all the things that I got from Sephora. So moving on, let's move to what I got from New Avenue. So okay, next are the things that I got from New Avenue. So I actually got these 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. But I wanted to include them in this video kasi sobrang ganda nila, grabe. As in, GOAT, greatest of all time, I swear. So, New Avenue is a shop that has Glossier, they have The Ordinary, they have a lot of other products, they have ColourPop as well. And I got The Ordinary foundations. So here, so a lot of people have been really raving about The Ordinary lately. I actually hopped on to The Ordinary train a little bit late. So The Ordinary actually has a lot of skincare products, but they also have foundation, and these are their 2 foundations. So this is the coverage foundation and this is the serum foundation. The difference is that the coverage foundation is more high coverage, well obviously duh, and then the serum foundation is a little bit lightweight because it's a serum. It's actually like water compared to this. So, and I got them in the shade 2.0N, both of them, which is light, medium, neutral. So thank goodness I got the shade right. I'm actually using the lightweight foundation right now. So yeah, thanks to this baby. And these are so popular because they're super good, and they really are. And they're super affordable. As in, wow, mind blown. So these are supposed to be $6 lang, and that's 300 pesos here in the Philippines if you convert. So super affordable. But sadly, since I'm from the Philippines, I couldn't get them directly from The Ordinary, so I had to purchase them from a reseller, and they resell for 700 pesos from New Avenue PH. So yeah, well I guess it's not really that bad compared to the super peaked up prices of the high-end foundations that we have. And I'm telling you guys, super ganda niya. It's so freaking good, I swear. As in, wow, magic. This is literally my favorite foundation. Sobrang galing niya. Like, it really does the magic, and it's super affordable. It looks very natural, and it really has a good coverage. So I love it. Ever since I got these, I stopped using my NARS, which is the foundation brand that I use for my daily makeup. So yeah, I'm not saying that mas okay ito than my NARS foundation. I'm just saying that it's practically the same. And the NARS one is, I don't know, ×2 the price of this one. Enough blabbing. Ang dami ko na namang nasabi. Okay, next. So these are the things that I got from New Avenue PH. Alright. Okay, the last shop that I got stuff from is the Your Makeup Store PH. And I actually got a lot of stuff from them. So let us start. So first I got new brushes. It's the Morphe Complexion Goals. This is actually their holiday collection, I think. That's what I saw when I researched about this. So yeah, it's a 5-piece brush collection plus case. I've been wanting new brushes since last year and I couldn't decide what I wanted. So I ran into this and I got them. So this is what the packaging of the box looks like. So I actually got this because I saw a video of James Charles doing a review on this, and that is why I got it. Okay, so My brushes, the ones that I'm using right now ever since I started putting on makeup, are the Real Techniques brushes, and I decided to change. I'm still gonna use them though, but wala, gusto ko lang ng bagong brushes because it's about time. It's been 3 years. So I got these 2 days ago. So it comes with a case. Wow, the hot. So this is the makeup case. It's rose gold. So yeah, my free paper. And then there are 5 brushes. And they are the Deluxe Angle Brush, Pro Flat Buffer Brush, Deluxe Highlight Fan, Deluxe Pointed Contour Brush, and Precision Pointed Powder Brush. So ito sila. I'm so excited to use these. Sana okay sila. Kasi kung hindi, sayang pera. Okay, so next I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Eyeshadow Palette. So I got this because I saw a video from one of my favorite YouTubers, and it was a makeup tutorial, and then she used this certain palette, and well, I decided to get this because it's super nice on her. This is actually what I'm using right now, so I don't know if it's nice on me though. If it's nice, please comment down below. If it's not, sad. Sayang pera. But yeah, this is what I'm using right now. So this is what the palette looks like. This is like a velvety, or I don't know, a suede thing. So yeah, when you open it, well, duh, this is how a palette should look like. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It has 14 colors, and most of them are matte. And then there are 2 shimmery or like glittery, shiny colors. So yeah. Back. It also comes with the brush. So yeah, the colors are Tempera, Golden Ochre, Vermeer. You know what? Never mind. Yeah, these are the colors. I'll show you na lang. So yeah. Okay, next I also got another eyeshadow palette. So I was actually deciding between the Modern Renaissance and this Jacklyn Hill one, and I put up a poll on Instagram, and most of you guys voted for the Jacklyn Hill palette. But personally, I like that more, so I couldn't decide, so I got them both. So yeah, when you open it, well, it looks like all the Morphe palettes. So these are the colors. So take a good look. It's a mixture of glittery and matte eyeshadows, so it's really good for a lot of things. Okay, moving on. I'm so hyper in this video, I don't know why. Okay, moving on. I also got a blush palette from E.L.F. So this is the E.L.F. blush palette in light. So it has 4 colors. So yeah, I got this from your makeup store, PH, as well. Pinunit. Anyway, so this is how it looks like. Black E.L.F. And when you open it, it has a mirror and then the 4 colors. So yeah, alright. Close. Okay, we're almost done, you guys. Okay, so the last 2 things that I got are eyeshadow brushes. So I got these because the Morphe set that I got didn't include brushes for the eye. So I just decided to get my own. This first, so I got the Wet n Wild Tapered Blending Brush. And then I also got the Morphe M573 brush. This is also for the eye. So yeah, it looks like a normal brush. This I cannot wait to use. Ito rin naman. But yeah, okay. So yeah, we're done. Those are all the new makeup that I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit the like button. You know the drill. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. If you have any suggestions, just comment them down below as well. So yeah, and of course, please don't forget to subscribe. subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, and bye-bye.
Nothing like seeing fam on the way to my crib. 117 where I live. 2 minute walk from the crib to the hill. Right down the hill is fam on the way. Cat Friday at a fam on the way. Book Friday, all fam getting lit. Read the Bible and we bounce to the hill. Pass by.